welcome back after your tea break. We now have to deal with summations and recurrence relationships at the first time. So that's pretty complicated. We've been asked to find the summation from the first term to the third term of this sequence. So the first thing I would do is think, what are those terms? So A1, they've already told me, is 1. A2 must be 2 times A1 plus 5. So A2 must be 2 times 1 plus 5. A2 must be 7. And A3 is 2 times the previous 1 plus 5. So 2 times 7 plus 5. A3 is 19. And now we get this crazy Greek letter. This is the sigma, and this means we need to sum. So this means add up the first one to the third one. So add, kind of think about it like, let's write it down. What this actually means is A1 plus A2 plus A3. It means start here, stop here. So we just need to plug the numbers in. 1 plus 7 plus 19. And then add together. 1 and 19 is 20, add 7, 27. It's done. Now, as always, getting a little bit more complicated. We've been told to calculate P, and we've been given the sum. So the sum is from 1 to 3. So let's work it out. A1 is 2p, A2 is 2 times 2p plus 5, 4p plus 5, and A3 is 2 times 4p plus 5 plus 5. Okay? Tidy it all up like that. Now, we need to find the summation of the first 3. Let's add those guys all together. Well, 2p add 8 will be 10, add another 4, 14. And 5 and 15 is 20. Now we've been told that the summation is equal to 48, so I'm going to put that here. And now we can do 48 minus 20 equals 14p. So we can do 28 equals 14p. Divide both sides by 14, and p is equal to 2. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Question 3. Calculate p again. Why is it always p, guys? I don't know. If the summation is equal to 18 of the first 3 terms, and this is the rule. Okay, well, we know how to do this now. Professionals. So this is the previous one squared. So this is u2 is equal to u1 squared plus p. u1 squared. I hate when I start writing in red and I just like keep going. It's so offensive. Right, 9 plus p. u3 is u2 squared plus p. Okay, we need to shuffle over a little bit. So, brackets are so important in making sure that this all works out. So u3 is going to be p squared plus 18p plus 81 plus another p. Okay, and we know that u3, like, oh, the summation of all of them. Oh, that was an ear-broken mistake. So we need to add this to this to this now. So it would be u1 plus u2 plus u3. Let's add them all together. So p squared plus 20p, 3. we know that the summation is equal to 18. So the summation, here, I'm going to put in 18. You always want to make sure you have both sides in an equation. Like, that's a problem I see a lot. They suddenly only have this side and then they're trying to solve this because they haven't left a space to write the 18 in. So bring the 18 over. Minus 8 would be 85, minus 10 would be 75. So we can have p plus 15 times by p minus 5. So we're going to have plus 15 times plus 5. And we can have two answers for p, minus 15 and minus 5. That's done. I always feel amazing when we get to the end of a series. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Subscribe. Please, I'm really grateful. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below how you felt about this video. Increasing sequences, periodic sequences that you would like me to answer. Let me also know what you would like me to do next. Thanks for watching. I've really enjoyed this. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this too. And I'll see you on the website soon. Bye for now.